paying tribute to the uniqueness found in every connection. The flow of life can turn what seems ordinary into something truly exceptional, highlighting that in a world built on connections, quality is not just significant but essential. Sincerity is the foundation of our work, integrity embedded in every strand. Maintaining a high standard of professionalism is not just a choice but our commitment. Every moment is an opportunity to create reliable solutions for today and tomorrow, approaching each task with precision and care, like a master craftsman. Achievements are built over time, through innovation and consistent effort. Persistence in seeking solutions drives us to create stronger, smarter networks. Attention to detail transforms simple components into powerful connections. In the fast-paced world of technology and communication, time is the most valuable and irreplaceable resource. Consequently, we dedicate ourselves to precision, efficiency, and innovation. Staying ahead of trends, we lead with creativity and cutting-edge technology. Progress comes step by step, each carefully aligned with our long-term goals. We value the present, knowing every connection we build will last the future. With integrity, we build trust and long-lasting partnerships. At every turn, we make reliability and excellence a part of daily life. Wonderful high-tech cherish every moment to serve, and serve things right at every opportunity.